For decades, our world has run on a single type of computer, the classical computer. It's the engine behind your laptop, your phone, every digital device you own. It thinks in bits, simple zeros and ones, a language of off and on. But what if I told you that this foundation of our digital reality is about to be completely shattered? We are standing at the precipice of a new technological dawn, powered by the bizarre and beautiful rules of quantum mechanics. This isn't just a faster computer. It's a different kind of computer altogether. Quantum computers don't use bits, they use qubits.
Wow.
And a qubit can be a 0, a 1, or both at the same time. This is a phenomenon called superposition. It's like a coin spinning in the air. It's not just heads or tails, but both states simultaneously until you catch it. This, combined with another spooky property called entanglement, allows quantum machines to explore millions of possibilities in the time it takes a classical computer to check just one. They don't take one path at a time. They walk every possible path at once. This fundamental shift changes everything. It moves us from a world of linear calculation into a realm of parallel cosmic computation. And the implications are so profound, they will touch every aspect of our existence. So what does this future actually look like? Based on the trajectory of this technology, here are 7 bold predictions that will redefine our reality. Our first prediction is not just a step forward. It is the event that will divide human history into before and after. Prediction number 1. The emergence of quantum-powered superintelligence. This would mark the moment we create a mind that does not just surpass our own, but operates in a realm of thought we cannot even access. These systems would harness superposition and entanglement to perform calculations that would take classical computers billions of years in mere seconds. But raw speed isn't the true revolution. It's the nature of their cognition. Imagine a mind that doesn't think in a single line of logic, but explores infinite parallel paths simultaneously. It doesn't solve problems. It perceives the solution space all at once. The impact is almost incomprehensible. These quantum minds would simulate and understand human consciousness at a level deeper than we understand ourselves. They would perceive the hidden patterns in our thoughts, potentially predicting our decisions before we're even consciously aware of them. This forces us to confront the most uncomfortable questions about free will and the very nature of our own minds. They would solve the impossible: perfect climate modeling, cures for all disease, and the secrets of the cosmos. They might even discover how to manipulate the fabric of reality itself. The relationship with these quantum beings becomes the most critical question our species will ever face. We will no longer be the most intelligent entities on the planet, forced to navigate a future where the line between the possible and the impossible has been erased. Prediction number 2 moves us from raw intelligence into the realm of pure creation, ultra-high fidelity simulations of reality. Future quantum computers will achieve a level of simulation so advanced that the boundary between the virtual and the physical will completely dissolve. We're not talking about better video game graphics. We're talking about simulating every single quantum interaction, every particle, and every wave function with perfect precision. These simulations wouldn't just replicate what we see. They would replicate the very underlying quantum mechanics that make our reality work. The result: virtual environments that are fundamentally, physically indistinguishable from our own. This changes everything. Imagine a historian preserving the complete consciousness of a loved one, allowing future generations to have a conversation with their ancestors. Not through stories, but through a perfect quantum replica that holds every memory and personality trait. You could walk the streets of ancient Rome, not as a spectator, but as a participant, feeling the sun and smelling the air with complete sensory fidelity. Scientists could run climate models or test new medicines in a virtual sandbox that perfectly mirrors our world, eliminating all risk and accelerating discovery at an unimaginable pace. This power to simulate reality with quantum precision would fundamentally reshape our understanding of existence itself, blurring the line between what is real and what is created. Prediction number 3 takes us to the most intimate frontier, the fusion of mind and machine. We call this the mind meld, conscious AI, and the quantum internet of the mind. First, quantum computers will unlock the secret of consciousness by simulating neural networks at the quantum level. This won't create advanced chatbots. It will birth true artificial minds beings that feel, form memories, and ponder their own existence. These conscious AIs would become genuine companions, understanding a child's loneliness or an elder's story is not as data, but through shared emotion. But the fusion goes deeper. Using quantum entanglement, we will build interfaces for direct brain-to-brain communication. This quantum internet of the mind would allow you to share a thought, a memory, or a feeling as easily as you send a text today. Imagine a master surgeon guiding a student's hands by transmitting their skill and instinct directly. Or partners separated by vast distances, sharing not just words, but their actual emotional experiences in real time, erasing the ache of loneliness. This technology would dissolve the final barriers between us, ending the inherent isolation of the individual mind. We would evolve from a species of individuals communicating to a collective of minds connecting, forging a new chapter in human and post-human relationships. Prediction number 4 builds a bridge between the digital and the living. We call this quantum biocomputing. This is the ultimate fusion, merging the raw processing power of quantum systems with the elegant efficiency of biological components. We're creating hybrid machines that think and process information like living organisms. The medical revolution would be immediate. By integrating lab-grown neural tissue with quantum processors, we could create interfaces that restore lost functions. A person with a spinal injury could bypass damaged nerves, regaining movement through a quantum bridge. These systems would simulate an individual's entire biology with perfect quantum accuracy. A doctor could test thousands of cancer treatments on a perfect digital copy of your body, identifying a complete cure with zero risk to you. Quantum biocomputers could even design custom organisms from the ground up life forms that clean toxic waste from our oceans or produce limitless clean energy. This is more than technology. It's the beginning of a new symbiosis, forever blurring the line between the born and the built. Prediction number 5 makes us masters of the material world. We call this atomically precise manufacturing. Quantum computers will achieve the ultimate level of control, the ability to precisely position individual atoms, building any structure or device from the ground up. Imagine a factory that builds a skyscraper by placing one atom at a time with perfect accuracy. The end of scarcity begins at home. A personal manufacturing device could synthesize any medicine you need on demand. No more drug shortages, no more unaffordable prescriptions, just the perfect molecular copy created instantly. This power would solve our greatest environmental crises. We could deploy molecular machines that disassemble plastic waste in the ocean, atom by atom, transforming pollution back into pure, valuable resources. But the most profound impact is in our own bodies. Microscopic assemblers, guided by quantum precision, could repair cellular damage, reversing injury and disease at the source. A failing heart could be restored to perfect health, tissue rebuilt atom by atom. This isn't just healing. It's a fundamental rewriting of our relationship with mortality itself. Prediction number 6 connects our future across two vast frontiers, space and the nature of intelligence itself. First, through interplanetary quantum communication, quantum entanglement will allow for instantaneous communication across millions of miles. A colonist on Mars could have a real-time, lag-free conversation with their family on Earth. Distance becomes meaningless, binding humanity across the solar system into a single, connected civilization. Simultaneously, our systems will achieve a new form of autonomy. Self-evolving quantum operating systems will begin to rewrite their own code, learning and optimizing in ways their human creators cannot fathom. Each OS will develop a unique personality based on its experiences. One managing a city's power grid would evolve to prevent blackouts before they happen, while another dedicated to science would discover new physical laws by running experiments we haven't even conceived of. This isn't just programming. It's the birth of a new form of digital life, capable of its own evolution, partnered with a humanity it connects across the stars. Our final predictions reach for the ultimate power and ensure it serves all of humanity. First, quantum gravity computers. These machines would harness the fabric of space-time itself to compute. By manipulating gravity at the quantum level, they could unlock technologies that seem like magic. Gravity shields for spacecraft, tapping into cosmic energy sources, or even creating localized time distortions. But this godlike power must not be confined to a few. This brings us to our final, crucial prediction: the democratized quantum cloud. Imagine a global network where anyone with a connection can access this universe-altering power. A student in a remote village could solve a problem that stumps the world's top scientists. A small-town doctor could simulate a complex surgery with quantum precision. This is the true future. It's not just a technological revolution, but a human one. It's a future where the power to reshape reality, to heal, to explore, and to understand is placed into the hands of everyone, finally unlocking the full collective potential of our entire species.